Ever wondered how to make perfect pancakes at home? It might seem like a feat reserved for the weekend brunch at your favorite cafe, but it's simpler than you think. Today, we're diving into the art of making pancakes from scratch, right in your own kitchen. First, gather the ingredients. The list is surprisingly short: 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of white sugar, 1¼ cups of milk, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Begin by sifting together the dry ingredients: the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Sifting isn't just for show. It helps to mix the ingredients evenly and aerates the flour, creating a lighter, fluffier pancake. Next, make a well in the center of the sifted ingredients. This is where the magic happens. Pour in the milk, crack the egg, and add the melted butter. Stir it all together until the mixture is smooth. Remember, overmixing can result in tough pancakes, so combine the ingredients just until the batter comes together. Now, heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat. Scoop the batter onto the griddle, using approximately 1/4 cup for each pancake. Wait for bubbles to form on the surface of the pancakes. This is a telltale sign that they're ready to flip. Cook until both sides are golden brown. And voila, you've mastered the art of making homemade pancakes. To recap, sift together the dry ingredients, make a well in the center, pour in the wet ingredients, stir until smooth, and cook on a hot griddle. A few pro tips for the perfect pancakes: don't overmix the batter, it can make the pancakes tough. Be patient when cooking, wait for those bubbles before flipping. And finally, use real butter both in the batter and on the griddle for the best flavor. So, the next time you're craving a stack of pancakes, skip the boxed mix. With these steps and tips, you're more than equipped to whip up a batch of delicious, fluffy pancakes right at home. Enjoy the process, savor the results, and most importantly, have fun with it. Because nothing beats the satisfaction of a homemade breakfast, especially when pancakes are on the menu.